CapCut account easily. Follow these simple steps first. Open the VPN or any trusted VPN app. Connect to the Singapore server to proceed. Once the VPN is connected, open the TempMail app. Click on Get New Email Address to generate a temporary email. Copy this email as it will be used later. Now open Chrome browser and search for CapCut Login. Open first website. Now paste email address and click on Continue button. Create a strong password. Now click on tick box, then click on Sign Up. Enter your date of birth and proceed to the next step. Go back to the TempMail and check your inbox for the verification code sent by CapCut. You received verification code on TempMail inbox. Copy this code and paste it into the CapCut website to complete the verification. Finally, open the CapCut app and click on Sign Up by email address. The same email and password you created earlier to log in. Your CapCut account is now successfully created and ready to use.
I hope you guys like this video, and I will upload CapCut file on Telegram channel. If you are new on my channel, so make sure you subscribe to get more valuable tutorials, and you can suggest me next video topic in comment section. So thank you so much.